All right, for today's writing assignment, you are going to be writing about what your favorite sport is. So I'm going to read to you as I have it, what's written here, and then we're going to fill in the blanks together. The first sentence is my introduction. It says, my favorite sport is blank because blank. Then I go on to my first fact in my second sentence. One thing I like about blank is blank. Period. Then I go on to my third sentence, which is my second fact. Another thing I like is blank. Period. Then my third fact. Finally, comma, I like blank because blank. Period. Then I have my conclusion. Thank you for letting me share blank. Okay? So when you are doing this, you are going to use your own favorite sport. Remember that you are going to use an introduction, 3 facts, and a conclusion. They can be different than mine, but you do need to be sure you include all of those parts. So let's say if I was going to use football as my example. Here's how I might complete this writing. My favorite sport is football because I like the colors of the uniforms, period. One thing I like about football is that it is played in the winter and snow, period. Another thing I like is how the people on the team work together, period. Finally, I like football because I watch it with my family, period. Thank you for letting me share about why football is my favorite sport, period. So this is a great example of how you could use this outline to write about your favorite sport. So be sure to remember a couple of things. Remember to use your best writing. Remember to fill in the blanks if you're going to use this outline as your form. And remember that it is okay to write it differently if you would like to do your own type of writing using your own words. They just need to include a introduction, 3 facts, and a conclusion. Okay, so in this portion I've just shown you with my little turquoise writing on the side and next to each different introduction, fact, and conclusion. I'm just showing you that the beginning first sentence is my intro or introduction. Then by my first sentence I've shown you that, or I'm sorry, my second sentence I've shown you that's my fact number 1. My third sentence is my fact number 2. My fourth sentence is my fact number 3. And then my conclusion is the last sentence. All right, have some fun writing about what your favorite sport is. And please remember that if your paper supply at home is small and you don't have a lot to write on, you can write on the back of something and then just take a picture of it. It could be a back of some paper. You don't need to have the roads kind of paper like I was able to use, but please do remember to write between small enough so that it would be on the lines. So you want your printing to look very much readable and you want it to be your best work. So go ahead and write to me about your favorite sport. Tell me what it is, 3 facts and a conclusion, and then send it to me in your Dojo portfolio. Can't wait to see what you love about sports.